Okay, this is part 2 of the video. Here we go. Same place that we was asked before. Okay, what you want to do in this one is go up here to objective and go properties. Okay, close this. Go to properties. You will see here players. Well, it will look like this. And you want to click on player, this plus sign to open players. Okay, you see 0, 1, and 2. 0 is you, remember that. Reinforcement point, what we did in the beginning of this series. Okay, click add or open it up, and it's default. You want to turn that to true. Okay, if it's false, then that means that reinforcement point is not yours. So true makes it yours. Okay, minus minus. Okay, reinforcement type. This is the type of reinforcement that you call out: main infantry, assault infantry. Okay, so this is what you do. You go here. You click on reinforcement type. Right click to open this up, and then click add, and then press this button right here, that plus, and then do it again, give it some more units, add. Okay, what you do next is you click towards the value area, and this thing will come up, and you want to click on this little box right here with 3 little dots or 3 little periods and open that. Okay, what you get is this big screen. Yes, it does look complex, but it's not. It's really well organized, so it shouldn't be too hard to find your place or where you need to go. Okay, so you want reinforcement, not scenario. Reinforcement. Okay, game. B2K final. You want to go to multiplayer. Okay, it's a good way to get reinforcement call. These right here are very confusing because they go by the campaign of the game. So multiplayer, I'm going to choose Germany. Tech level is the different years, 45, 43, 44, and stuff like that. Tech level 4 is 44 to 45. Click on that, and you see a set of units. I will get some tank heavy for myself. And what I do is just click OK, which is the bottom right, and then I get some more different type of units for myself, or for player 0, which is me. That's kind of funny. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to give me some light tank or medium tank first. Click OK and give me another set, and click light tank. Okay, next step, you want to go here to recycle time coefficient. If you turn this to 0, then that is instant call. You could call as soon as you just call. Okay, so there's no waiting period. If you want to put 1, then it's go by the standard. If you turn to 0.5, then it's half of the standard. It's a multiplier. Okay, that what coefficient is. Reinforcement call. Yep, this is you wanna give yourself a lot of calls, so just type in 99. Don't go 9999 because it's not gonna work. I don't think it will. Anyway, okay, once you get in that, you're set for player 0. Player 1, which is the CPU, you want to do the exact same thing. Okay, so you go to reinforcement point, and you see that 0, and it's default. You want to turn that to true, so that makes his reinforcement call reinforcement point true, makes it belong to him. Okay, what you do next is reinforcement type, the same exact thing we did, but since I want to make him a Russian unit, I'm just going to close out the German part and open USSR. The same tech around the same era, 44 and 45. Click OK for medium tanks, and I want to give him some more type unit. I also mess with my heavy tanks, so they are zombie tanks, not really normal tanks. Okay, so tank light and tank heavy, and that will get you set for him. Okay, the thing when it comes to the computer, you not ever want to give him anything that's attached to a truck or infantry, because he would not know how to use it, and that would be a pointless and waste of his calls. Okay, right here, same thing. You want to make him have instant ability to call as soon as possible, and reinforcement call, give him 99. This make it very intense. The more units you have out there, the more intense it become. Okay, you give him gap. There's a problem with giving him gaps because he will use gap a lot. So be careful with that. The best way to prevent him to go crazy with gaps is to do the weather thing. which I'm not gonna explain in this video because it gets pretty complex. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. I will test run it and show you guys how it turned out in part 3. So just check out that video.